Hello, friends, and welcome back to the new episode of r/I don't work here, lady. Karen. Karen never changes. And our first story about the crazy soccer mom in the store. What part of fishnets and leather says I work at Malwart, you old hag? Oh boy, how have I not found this thread soon? Have I got a doozy for you all from a couple months back? Okay, to preface this, I, female, 20, had an incredible micromanaged childhood. So when I moved out at 16, I rebelled and dressed however I wanted to. I was what I affectionately referred to as goth-like, which was totally left field for the small town I grew up in. I started working the day I turned 18 and have never had a job where I didn't have to wear a uniform of some sort, so my aesthetic is pretty much dropped off in the name of professionalism. I only dress up when I go out with friends, and I'm a graveyard shift worker, so I stop by our friendly neighborhood Walmart because there's literally nothing else open in tiny town USA at 6 a.m. to pick up some brake fluid for my craptastic Cherokee. Let me set the scene. It's oh bleep o'clock, and I'm wearing my Doc Marten boots with fishnet tights under my black denim shorts, some strappy tank top and fire engine red leather jacket while I'm wandering the automotive section. Walmart employees wear blue polo shirts and, I think, black pants. Either way, there's no way in hell you could see my attire and think I work there. So I'm walking around the aisle looking for brake fluid, and I finally see it on the end cap. Then I hear the foreboding behind me that I recognize all too well from the year I spent in retail hell. I look over my shoulder and don't see anyone, so I shrug it off and squat down to grab the generic cheaper fluid. Then I see this woman come rushing around the corner of the aisle and stop directly behind me. She's standing so close, I can't even stand up, so I crane my neck and look over my shoulder like, what the hell are you doing? Now this lady was every Karen stereotype that comes to mind, from the never lost a baby weight but still thinks she's a trophy wife to, and I'm not kidding, the let me speak to your manager asymmetrical haircut with chunky highlights that should have died back in 2007. This bee looked like she stepped out of a homeowners association pamphlet and drove her luxury minivan right into the effing Walmart at 6 a.m. To give her some credit, she did move through the customary, you work here, right, but didn't give me a chance to respond before she delves into a series of like 5 orders and questions about where something is and how I'm going to walk my happy butt all the way across the store to get it for her. I'm just looking at this bee incredulously and waiting for her to pause for a freaking breath. Finally, she snaps, "Are you effing stupid? I want your manager now." At this point, I haven't gotten a GD word in edgewise, and I'm not a timid person, so I spin on my heels and stand up, forcing her to take a step back. She starts screeching like a damn banshee that I'm assaulting her, and I knew in T-minus 30 seconds, real employees are going to come running. I stand my ground and glare at her. I said something along the lines of, "Look, lady, I do not effing work here," and gesture to my fishnets. Before she can start screaming again, I put my finger up and shamelessly rip into her saying, "I'm glad I don't work here," and I tell her she's a nightmare customer and a crap person. She starts hollering and I refuse to yell back, so I turn heel and walk away. This audacious gal has the nerve to follow me, telling me I'm obviously a slut for dressing like that. Can't believe my manager would let me represent the company like that, and she's going to have both of our jobs. I flip her off over my shoulder and pass one of the employees rushing to the auto section on my way out. I grin at him and say, "Clean up on aisle 10, soccer moms offer meds again," and head for self-checkout. As I was leaving, I saw one of the local police officers coming in, obviously responding to the disturbance. There's pretty much always at least one patrol car in their designated parking spot at all times. We jokingly call Walmart the second station. I smiled and waved at him and got in my car and went home, laughing all the way. Sadly, there's no medication that can cure that amount of stupid. And our next story. I sold a car at a dealership I don't work at. So, for those of you just tuning in to DP's Storytime channel, last episode, I was a... Hello, friends, and welcome back to the new... Hello, friends, and welcome back to...